We're Lyme Alert, the convenient and easy-to-use home test for Lyme disease. This is my patient, one of many who found a tick on him more than 4 weeks ago. He never saw a rash, so he didn't seek medical treatment until his right knee became red, hot, and swollen. At 12 years old, he had Lyme arthritis. Lyme disease is the fastest growing vector-borne disease in the US. Last year, over 460,000 cases were diagnosed, contributing to an economic burden of over $1.3 billion. Delayed diagnosis can lead to chronic Lyme and permanent disability. In the US, healthcare is expensive and access is not equal. Shockingly, there's no FDA-cleared test for active Lyme disease infection, and current diagnostics miss up to 60% of early-stage cases. Cases of Lyme disease have tripled since 1990 and has now been detected in all 50 states. It doesn't just affect people, domestic pets, horses, and livestock are also affected. Globally, tick diseases are a growing threat, and Lyme has now been detected in 53 countries as ticks spread thanks to climate change. It's not just Lyme. There's a long list of tick-borne diseases that continues to grow. Our mission at Lyme Alert is to improve access to medical care through home testing. This will speed up the time to diagnosis, reduce unnecessary antibiotic use, and aid global disease surveillance. Home testing has become common and expected since COVID, and the home testing market is exploding. Our solution is a home tick testing kit that is easy to use and shelf stable. It's simple. Find a tick, crush it, add our proprietary solution, and watch for a color change. If it changes color, your tick carries Lyme disease and you should seek medical treatment. Our technology uses gold-labeled nanoparticles that react with the color change in the presence of Borrelia. This will be paired with a platform app that will use your cell phone camera to measure the wavelength of the color change and confirm results. It will also map disease incidents and use predictive modeling to anticipate spread. Eventually, we'll move to global disease surveillance, where results can be transmitted to epidemiologists for disease tracking, and our AI-powered model can predict disease spread, aiding in future prevention and awareness. Our go-to-market strategy is to start with our beachhead market of domestic pet owners. This represents a TAM of over $550 million. The animal market has less regulatory hurdles, and in customer interviews had a significantly higher willingness to pay than other segments. We hope this allows us to become profitable while we seek FDA approval to market to humans. Our competitive position is strong. There are no current home testing options. There are mail-away tests only. We have more than a dozen follow-on markets that we have identified, including community and outdoor organizations. We plan to be a B2C company with product available at major retailers to meet our goal of improving access nationwide and eventually globally. We have a multidisciplinary team with experience in patient care, nanotechnology, materials science, and data analytics. We have just started prototyping in the lab, and lab testing is expensive. We need funding to help make our test a reality and partnerships to help with manufacturing. We're Lyme Alert. Together, we can reduce the devastating effects of tick diseases. Thank you.